guys, today I'm gonna show you a 5-mark statistics question that I personally am explaining for the sake of both the statistical knowledge and because it shows you how important it is to read the instructions of the question and how to use formulas and knowledge you already know in an interesting way. So first, this question was on both the SL and HL tests in 2021, in the summer IB tests. It was question 4 on the SL and question 3 on the HL. So let's start. I'll give you a few minutes to read the question. Okay, so at first, in the beginning of the question, it clearly says that there are no outliers in the results, and then asks you to find the minimum possible value of u. First thing we have to look at is that u clearly should be identified as the third quartile, and this is based on the knowledge of statistics. And then one needs to start thinking about the fact of why would the question tell you that there are no outliers. And that's why no outliers is an essential part of answering part A, because when thinking about how there's no outliers, you understand that 75 is the maximum outlier. Thus, we can use the outlier equation by plugging in 75 as the answer and the information already given to us. And u being Q3, you get u as 45. And with just simple and like recognizing of the information and reading and comprehension of what the question is telling you, you get 3 marks on the test, which is a lot. Part B depends on part A, and that's also a trend that happens in IB questions. We're understanding that if U is Q3, then L is Q1, and there's a relationship between Q3 and Q1, which is the equation for the interquartile range. And not coincidentally, because your mind should be already used to understanding that the information they give you is valuable, they give you the value of the interquartile range, specifically to use in part B. And by having Q3, which is U from part A, and the value of the interquartile range, you can plug in those values to get that L is 25. Thank you for listening.